So look, now you get to look at the people riding the lift.
Yeah.
Remember before you were riding the lift and you could look at the people skiing, now it's role reversal. Yeah, so Darlene, I want to see if you could turn to the left. Do you know which way is the left?
That's the left.
Left.
Oh, how great that is.
See if you can point them to the left so much that you stop, okay? More. Try and make them stop. All the way to the left and they'll stop. See if you can do that. Yeah! So do that a few more times for me, okay? Just try and get them to go to the left so you stop, okay? Let me see you do that. See if you can turn left and stop. More. You gotta turn more if you're gonna try and stop.
There you go. You stopped your skis. That's very important to know how to stop.
You learn how to do, okay? So anytime you want to, you could stop yourself just like that, okay?
Uh-huh.